Here's how to apply Tuff Court and transform a worn surface into a professional playing court. Step 1. Start with a clean surface. Remove dirt, oils, and loose coatings using a pressure washer and Ramic Clean and Prep solution. Next, repair cracks, low spots, or damaged areas with Ramic epoxy patching compound. A smooth, stable surface ensures the best performance and appearance. Once the surface is clean and dry, apply Tuff Court using a half-inch roller or squeegee. Work in manageable sections and maintain a wet edge for consistent coverage. After the first coat dries completely, tape off the playing lines using painter's tape specifically designed for water-based coatings to maintain clean lines. Roll the line color evenly and remove the tape for clean edges. With proper preparation and application, Tuff Court delivers a durable, professional surface built for play.